So today I'm going to attempt to repair my coolant fan because it's not working. And if we don't get this fixed, we're not drifting. So stay tuned. We know we're shit. Yeah. Thanks for watching the Daily Drift. So welcome back, drifters. Today, it's another beautiful day. We're in the garage and I'm working on the RX7. Now, there's been a lot of stuff that I've been doing kind of behind the scenes because it's grinding type stuff. It's stuff that's not really interesting and I've just been trying to get it done. But I found something that's pretty concerning because tomorrow's the drift event and, well, I don't know if it's going to happen or not. Let me show you what's going on because our cooling fan is basically fried. Or so I think, but we're going to see if we can fix it. So let me show you what we got. So right now I have it hooked up to an ohm meter and we're going to test to see where the voltage is. Now mind you, I've got this going to ground inside there and right now we're reading 0. So I'm going to go flip the switch. Okay, you can see right now we're reading 0 volts. But now what we're going to do is we're going to mess with this. Okay, so we have that hooked up to ground. We're going to ground this. But look, we have voltage. So that means for some reason, this coolant fan is sending voltage through. It's not kicking on, and it means that it's not grounding properly. So it probably means that whenever I did that short circuit, that it probably fried something because the choke and that shared a common ground. So when I shorted it out, there's a good chance that it just completely fried the motherboard on the, well, not, I don't know if it's called the motherboard, the circuit board on the motor for the coolant fan, but I don't know. So we're going to take it out, we're going to pull it apart, and we're going to see if we can get in there and fix it, if it's something simple, or if it's just completely fried. And if it's fried, well, then we're just screwed. But let's see what we can do.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting, like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
That's interesting. That fan's not kicking on either. So interestingly enough, I just hooked up my old coolant fan, which I know works, and it's not kicking on either. So maybe it's a different issue than what I originally thought. That's really weird, so I'm gonna have to look into that. I think I found the problem. So it was having a bad ground. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the other coolant fan, I'm gonna hook it back up and then see if it turns on. If it does, then we're in business. It means it's just a bad ground, which, oddly enough, maybe that was our issue. I don't know. Thought it was grounded well, but maybe not. Hey, here we go, moment of truth. Looks like we're back in business. Hell yeah. All right, so there you go. Grounds. Evidently, grounding is the problem. So I'm gonna have to relook at a lot of my grounding stuff because evidently, I guess maybe all the vibration probably knocked a couple of things loose. So, I don't know. That's what we're gonna do though. So I guess I'm gonna have to go check all my grounds and work on fixing a bunch of this crap. But that's some good news. That means that we can get this thing done. So, I got a long night tonight. It looks like I might be pulling an all-nighter. sure that's not good. So unfortunately, it's looking like I'm going to need either a new caliper or I'm going to need to rebuild these. Problem is that they don't sell them anymore. You have to special order them and they're expensive. So I got on Atkins Rotary. I managed to get a rebuild kit for like 40 bucks. So that's what we're going to do, but it's going to take a couple days to get here. And unfortunately, it looks like the leak is actually located right here. This is where the leak's coming from, this parking brake seal. So I figure this is probably a good time to upgrade this anyway, get them fixed, because I never rebuilt them when I got them. And they're pretty old. I mean, it's an 87. They need to be rebuilt. So that's what we're going to do. As soon as we get those parts in, we should be able to get this thing back up and running. Now, the drift event's in about a week, so we'll see how it goes. So unfortunately, I didn't get as much done as I wanted to. I've been working on this thing all week, and that's part of the reason why I haven't been uploading. The other part is just because, well, I've been dealing with a lot of shit. Nobody wants to hear that. I'm trying to turn a new leaf. I'm trying to stay positive, so that's what we're going to do. But anyway, guys, I got a lot done. This thing's looking really good. We've got gauges. We've got a freaking speedometer. We've got reverse lights. We've got a new bleed valve for the coolant. Like, it's been a really successful week. I've been in and out of here as much as I can be. But I'm just a normal guy, just like you guys. I'm not anything special, so I do what I can when I can. And sometimes I don't do as much as I probably should, and, well, you know, that's the problem with motivation sometimes. But the good news is, we're getting there. The only thing that we need now is those caliper rebuild kits, which have already been ordered. It's Sunday today, so we should be getting them hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday, as long as they ship them out in time. I paid for the faster shipping. And Lone Star Bash is Saturday, Sunday, so I'm not going to say that we're going to go to it, because I know how this goes, but I would definitely like to. So if we can, that would be great. If not, oh well, we're going to at least get this thing back on the street, because my registration's good till the end of November, and I'd like to go get it inspected and still be able to drive this thing on the street, because even though it's not much of a street car, it's our baby, and I just want to drive it. I'm tired of it just sitting here and wasting away. So enough rambling, everybody. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. If you didn't, dislike it. Either way, doesn't matter to me. And I'll see y'all in the next one. And just remember, keep it nice and easy.